Cyber insurance is more important than ever, but to obtain the best terms, you're going to need to have some basic IT measures in place. Over the last year or two, what has emerged as the most important IT risk management tool is multi-factor authentication, or MFA or 2FA, you might see it called sometimes. So above all else, this is what the cyber insurance market is demanding of you. So what is MFA? This means that you use more than one factor to authenticate yourself before you access your computer. So the first factor is your password, which we're all familiar with, but passwords can be stolen or hacked or guessed. The second factor is typically your mobile device. So we're all familiar with this by now, whether it's your bank's website or your email or another website. You put your username and password in, and then a code is texted to your phone and you enter that code, and then you're in. So you've used two factors to authenticate yourself. Why is this so important? Well, basically because it's very effective in preventing cyber attacks. And it appears to be the best tool that we have at this time to do that. And the insurance industry right now is very serious about reducing claims and tightening up their underwriting requirements for cyber insurance. So if you don't have MFA implemented, you're going to have very limited cyber insurance options. In some cases and in some industries, you're not going to have any options at all. There just isn't many insurance carriers right now interested in writing cyber insurance if you don't have MFA in place. In other cases, you'll have some options. They're just going to cost a lot more money. So if you don't have MFA in place, what I would recommend that you do is contact your IT provider. Tell them that you want to get MFA implemented wherever possible in your computer system. They should be able to help walk you through that, tell you what that'll look like, what's involved with that, what the cost is. And you want to do that well in advance of your cyber insurance renewal, or if you don't currently have cyber insurance, you want to do that and get that in place before you approach the market for cyber insurance quotes. Your insurance broker should be able to help you with that as well, and they might also be able to point out to you some other IT measures that you should have in place before you approach the marketplace for cyber insurance. I'm Trent Hess, business insurance professional with the BCF Group.